Hey gang, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Really excited for today's video. I am trying another wig, and this time I got really creative. So this company, Hairspells, reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out one of their premium synthetic units. This company is really unique because they sell both premium synthetic and human hair lace wigs. I love when a company sends my unit package and something that I can use. This satin bag will be great to hold this wig in, my other human hair wigs in, just everything. So inside the unit comes in another bag, and yeah, I know you guys see that color. I'm hoping this time it works out in my favor more than it did in my last video. You can click right here to check it out. I had this curly synthetic wig and it was black in the back, and then I had this like brassy blondie color in the front. Was not feeling it, so I'm really hoping I'm feeling this one. I've always wanted to try this gray color. As you guys can see, this is a braided unit and it has loose ends. Inside is pretty basic construction for a lace front. You have your two clips right here. There's no clip on the bottom though, but you do have an adjustable band. If I can like pull the bands right there. Yeah, you have an adjustable band for it to fit your head. One thing that I'm nervous about, this unit does not have baby hair, so I have to leave my baby hairs out. But it does lay flat, so that's key, that's awesome. The parts aren't defined on the lace, so I was hoping to at least have one defined part on this unit. But yeah, let me hop off the camera and grab my handy dandy scissors and chop off this lace. Lace is cut, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my baby hairs as I would if I was just rocking a natural style. I'm gonna put a little bit of my yellow got to be glue gel on my hair. This is dangerous, but just make sure, like if you do this, use warm water or a blow dryer to loosen up the gel before you take it off. So the gel isn't all the way dry just yet, but we're just gonna go ahead and put the unit on and sit it right behind my hairline. It's a bit wide on the side, so I'll have to cut that. So this is the unit all the way on. I can see some of the lace, so I'm gonna go in with one of my little tricks. I'm taking a black eyeliner and I'm going through and covering this lace. I put on a lightweight makeup, as you can see. Use that Bare Minerals. Put on some gloss, a nice, fresh end of summer face. And let me step back so you can see this unit. I love. By the way, this wig is super long. It goes all the way to my bum, and I'm 6 foot. That's hella long. I was super nervous about this color, but I actually really like it. It's definitely different, it's very bold, and of course it's not like an everyday color, but if I'm going out at night or I'm going to a festival or I'm having a photo shoot, this will definitely be a good look for me. Definitely a good look. The braids are nice, the hair is soft, and it's not heavy, which I was really nervous when I picked this wig on the site. I was like, oh shit, like is this gonna be crazy heavy? But no, it's actually fairly lightweight. It's fairly lightweight. The braids are really nice too. They look nice and uniform. If I would have gotten this in like all black, or if I would have got like an ombre with a blonde or a brown on the end, this could definitely be like an everyday style for me. It looks really good. Now, just a few things that I need to know. Scoot on up. I'm gonna go down a little bit too. So just a few things I need to know about this unit if you are deciding to purchase it, because it is bomb. Be aware of this very oval hairline. Now, I did pull it back behind my baby hairs, as you can tell, especially the front right here, and then sort of pulled up the front. But if I was to bring it right here and have it straight oval, I know for a fact it wouldn't look good, because that isn't like a hairline that matches my face, my head. So if you feel like you're the same, what I would do is either one, I would unravel these braids and then I would pluck the hairline and then, you know, braid the hairline back up, or, and this is actually what I might do, is just go through with your tweezers and pluck the hairline as you would pluck it if you were to be doing like a regular lace front. You know, do whatever you want to do, but this is definitely a unit, and usually it's like that with all synthetic wigs. You have to work a little bit of magic. You have to put in a little more effort to make your units look as natural as you need them to look. Another thing to be aware of is you cannot see any scalp at all. As you can see right there, no scalp. So the braids just waterfall down. You will not get a defined part with this unit. But honestly, with braids, I don't think anyone's gonna be like checking for you like that. You know, they're just gonna be like, ooh, girl, your braids look good. I don't think no one's gonna be looking at your scalp to see if you have a lace front braided wig on. I don't think people do that. I mean, and if they do, you need to ask them some questions, because that means that they're paying a little bit too much attention to you and they're trying to find something wrong, which means they're a hater. So here's the side. And then here's the back. And here's the other side. Cute, right? Before I go, I just want to make sure I give you the hair deets. So again, this wig is from hairspells.com. Here's the link. You can check in the comments or in the DB for that. This is their ombre gray synthetic lace frontal braided wig, and the braids are small, very, very, very small box braids, and this unit runs for $89, and they have the length 24 inches and 26 inches, and I believe I have the 26 inch just because it's so darn long. But yeah, that is my review on this ombre braided lace front wig from hairspells.com. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this wig, and if you're liking my wig reviews, or if you're liking this unit, don't forget to thumbs this video up. And if you feel that this is something that somebody you know just needs to see, if this is a wig that they need in their life, please share this video with them and send them a blessing for the day. They need a blessing for the day. But yeah, I'll chat with you guys later, and as always, peace and love.